police-community relation. Police-community relation encompasses the dynamic interactions and collaborations between law enforcement agencies in the communities they serve. This multifaceted approach aims to establish positive relationships, build trust, and foster mutual understanding between the police and residents. Through community engagement initiatives such as neighborhood meetings, outreach programs, and educational workshops, the police department seeks to connect with community members, address concerns, and promote dialogue by actively involving residents in the decision-making process and encouraging open communication. Police-community relations create a platform for shared responsibility in maintaining public safety and enhancing community well-being. One of the core principles of police-community relations is to promote transparency and accountability within the law enforcement agencies. Transparency involves sharing information about policies, activities, policies, and initiatives with the public, fostering trust and credibility by being accountable for their actions and decisions. Police departments demonstrate a commitment to serve the community ethically and responsibly. This accountability not only builds public trust but also ensures the law enforcement agencies are held to high standards of conduct and professionalism, reinforcing positive relations with residents.
Moreover, police-community relations strive to bridge the gap between law enforcement and the community through proactive engagement and collaborative efforts. Community policing strategies, which emphasize partnerships, problem-solving, and community involvement, are integral to fostering positive relationships and addressing local issues effectively. By working together with residents to identify priorities, develop tailored solutions, and promote crime prevention initiatives, police departments can create safer, more resilient communities. Ultimately, police-community relations serve as a foundation for building trust, promoting public safety, and enhancing the overall quality of life for residents.
What is the importance of police-community relation? Police-community relations are of paramount importance in fostering positive interaction, building trust, and enhancing public safety. Establishing strong relationship between law enforcement agencies and the communities they serve is essential for effective policing. By engaging with residents through outreach programs, community events, and educational initiatives, police departments can bridge the gaps between officers and the public, creating the sense of partnership in addressing local concerns. This collaborative approach not only enhances communication and transparency but also promotes a shared responsibility for maintaining the law and order within neighborhood.
The trust and credibility built through police-community relations are instrumental in promoting public safety. When community members trust the police and feel comfortable engaging with the law enforcement, they are more likely to report crimes, provide valuable information, and participate in crime prevention efforts. The partnership between the police and the community leads to a more proactive and responsive approach to addressing crime and safety concerns. Additionally, positive relationships foster understanding, respect, and cooperation, creating a foundation for effective policing that is rooted in community needs and priorities. Moreover, police-community relations contribute to the overall well-being of neighborhoods by promoting accountability, transparency, and community involvement. By actively involving residents in decision-making process, problem-solving initiatives, and crime prevention strategies, police departments empower communities to take ownership of their safety and quality of life. The collaborative effort not only prevents crime but also enhances the quality of interactions between law enforcement officers and residents, creating a safer, more cohesive, and resilient community. In essence, the importance of police-community relations lies in building trust, promoting public safety, and fostering positive relationships that benefit both law enforcement agencies and the communities they serve.
What are the goals of the police-community relations? The primary goal of police-community relations is to establish and maintain positive interactions between law enforcement agencies and the communities they serve by fostering trust, open communication, and mutual understanding. Police-community relations aim to build strong relationships and enhance public safety and well-being. Building trust is essential for effective policing as it encourages residents to cooperate with law enforcement, report crimes, and engage in crime prevention efforts. Through proactive engagement and community outreach, police departments seek to bridge the gap between officers and residents, creating a sense of partnership in addressing local concerns and promoting a safer environment for all. Another key goal of police-community relations is to promote transparency and accountability with law enforcement agencies. By being transparent in their operations, policies, and decision-making processes, police departments demonstrate their commitment to serving the community ethically and responsibly. Transparency fosters public trust and confidence in the law enforcement, leading to stronger relationships and increased cooperation between the police and residents. Additionally, promoting accountability ensures that law enforcement agencies are held accountable for their actions, behaviors, and interactions with the community, ultimately enhancing public trust and credibility.
Furthermore, the goal of police-community relation is to empower communities to actively participate in the maintenance of public safety. Community engagement is a vital aspect of effective policing, as residents play a crucial role in identifying local issues, sharing information, and working collaboratively with law enforcement to address concerns. By involving residents in decision-making process, problem-solving initiative, and crime prevention efforts, police community relation program empower communities to take ownership of their safety and well-being. This collaborative approach fosters a sense of shared responsibility and promotes a positive relationship between the police and the community, leading to safer and more resilient neighborhoods.
Types of police-community relation. There are several types of police-community relations, strategies, and initiatives that law enforcement agencies employ to engage the community and build positive relationships. Some common types of police-community relationships include community policing. Community policing is a proactive approach that involves law enforcement officers working closely with residents to address public safety issues collaboratively. This strategy emphasizes building partnerships, problem solving, and community engagement to prevent crime and improve quality of life in neighborhoods. Community outreach programs. Police departments organize community outreach programs such as neighborhood meetings, town hall events, and educational workshops to connect with the residents, address concerns, and promote dialogue between the police and the community.
Citizen Advisory Boards. Citizen Advisory Boards are groups of community members who provide input, feedback, and recommendations to law enforcement agencies on community policing strategies, policies, and programs. These boards serve as a bridge between the police and the community. Youth engagement initiatives. Police departments engage with youth through programs such as youth academies, mentorship programs, sports activities, and educational workshops. These initiatives aim to build positive relationships with the young community members and provide opportunities for constructive interaction. Cultural awareness and diversity training. Training programs on cultural awareness, diversity, and implicit bias help law enforcement officers better understand and serve the diverse communities they interact with. These initiatives promote inclusivity, reduce biases, and enhance communication with residents from different backgrounds. Community events and partnerships. Police departments participate in community events, festivals, and partnerships with local organizations, school and businesses to strengthen relationships, promote public safety, and address the community concerns collaboratively. Social media engagement. Utilizing social media platforms to share updates, safety tips, and engage with the community in real time. Social media provides a direct channel for communication and outreach to a broader audience. These types of police-community relations initiatives aim to promote transparency, trust, and collaboration between law enforcement agencies and the communities they serve. By implementing a combination of these strategies, police departments can build positive relationships, enhance public safety, and create a more connected and resilient community.